Welcome to Hatchbox Highlights, where we give you some quick insight on Hatchbox filaments. Today, we'll be highlighting our PA filament. Polyamide filament, more popularly known as nylon, has been used in industry for decades. Print all your favorites and more with the premier quality of our PA that will enable you to see your ideas and concepts engineered into a real and rewarding reality. Printing with polyamide material lets you create strong, abrasion-resistant parts that can survive in harsh environments. Its ability to be flexible when thin with very high interlayer adhesion makes it the ideal printing choice for functional interlinking and interlocking 3D parts. Careful storage is essential when working with nylon. The material is slightly hygroscopic and easily absorbs moisture from the atmosphere. Airtight containers with desiccant will help preserve the material. So you might be wondering, any special settings to print PA? The recommended specifications are as follows. Recommended extrusion nozzle temp 240 degrees Celsius to 250 degrees Celsius. Recommended build platform temperature 70 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. We also recommend a glass bed and PVA glue for optimal adhesion and removal. Print temperatures are higher than most entry-level 3D printers can handle, and an all-metal hot end may be required. An enclosure is also recommended as the parts may warp when cooling. You may be also asking what PA looks like. PA can produce high-quality surface finishes that require minimal post-processing. Strength and durability make parts suitable for long-term functional use. A question we get asked frequently is, what are people doing with PA? PA enthusiasts are developing snap-fit joints, hinges, sporting goods, and electronic parts. If you need to make something that truly lasts long, PA is the filament for you. From all of us here at Hatchbox, thank you for tuning in. Until next time.